Have you ever woken up, not tired in the body, but weighed down in your heart? That silent heaviness, that quiet ache, deep within. It's not physical, it's not even emotional. It's something else. You just feel heavy, spiritually, energetically, like your soul has been carrying too much for too long. If that feels familiar, this message is for you. Let's explore why you feel so heavy inside and how to lighten your soul again. Part 1. The invisible burden. Spiritual heaviness isn't often talked about in daily life. You can go to the doctor for a backache. You can take a nap for physical fatigue. But what do you do when it's your spirit that's tired? When you feel a sadness that has no name, no reason, just weight. This kind of spiritual heaviness often comes from a few invisible burdens we carry. First, unprocessed emotions. We suppress feelings out of politeness, fear, or trauma, but suppressed emotions don't disappear. They sink into the soul, like stones in a river. They gather until they become heavy. Second, unlived truths. Many of us live lives that don't reflect who we truly are. We follow roles, expectations, old patterns, but the soul knows. And every day we deny our truth, it adds to the weight inside. Third, spiritual disconnection. In the noise of daily life, TVs, phones, endless to-dos, we become disconnected, not just from others, but from ourselves, from the divine. That disconnection can feel like drifting through life with no anchor. Have you felt it? The fatigue that no sleep can fix, the hollowness after an achievement, the smile you wear while something inside cries. That's not a weakness, that's your soul asking to be heard. Part 2. Signs your spirit is carrying too much. How do you know if your spirit is burdened? The signs are subtle, but real. Number 1. You feel restless, even when you're still, like something's always off. Number 2. You often feel emotional for no reason. You cry easily, or feel a sudden sadness during quiet moments. Number 3. You crave solitude, but feel lonely at the same time. Number 4. Your dreams become intense or disturbing. Your subconscious may be working overtime trying to process your inner state. Number 5. Nothing feels deeply satisfying. Food, entertainment, even relationships feel like distractions, not nourishment. Number 6. You feel stuck in the past, or constantly worry about the future. Time feels blurry. Number 7. You sense you're carrying emotions that aren't even yours, especially if you're an empath, absorbing energy from others unknowingly. These are the whispers of the soul. And the good news is, your spirit is speaking to you. It wants you to come home. Part 3. Where this heaviness comes from. Let's go deeper now. Where does this heaviness come from? Number 1. Inner child wounds. From a young age, we learn to hide parts of ourselves. Be quiet, be strong, don't cry. So we lock away our fears, our grief, our dreams. But those parts don't disappear. They live in our spirit, waiting to be seen. Number 2. Karmic patterns. We may carry old energies from past lives, unfinished lessons, unspoken regrets, echoes from lives before this one. Number 3. Ancestral energy. Sometimes we carry the weight of those who came before us. Generational trauma, unhealed pain, family secrets. They live in our DNA. Number 4. Collective consciousness. The world is full of noise, pain, and fear, and if you're spiritually sensitive, you may be absorbing the grief of humanity itself. Number 5. Resistance to growth. Your soul wants to evolve, but your ego wants to stay safe. That battle creates tension, and tension becomes weight. You are not broken. You are not too sensitive. You are just deeply awake in a world that forgot how to feel. Part 4. How to lighten the soul. Let's talk about healing now. How do we release the weight from our soul? Step 1. Silent sitting. Just 5 minutes a day. Sit. Breathe. Listen. Let your soul whisper. Don't force anything. Feel. Don't fix. Step 2. Speak the unspeakable. Write letters you don't send. Talk to your younger self. Say what was never said. Expression is exorcism. Step 3. Release energy that isn't yours. Say aloud, I release what is not mine to carry. Imagine giving it back to the universe. Feel your chest lighten. Step 4. Let nature heal you. Walk where the wind speaks. Let the sun warm your face. Let the earth take your sorrow. Step 5. Spiritual cleansing. Burn sage or incense. Take salt baths. Light a candle. Affirm, I return to my light. Step 6. Forgive yourself. For the big things, for the little things. Forgive yourself for surviving, for enduring. Say, I did the best I could with what I knew, and now I choose peace. Step 7. Let go of fixing. You don't need to fix everyone or everything. You are allowed to rest. Part 5. The lightness of being. As you heal, you'll notice shifts. Your breath deepens. Silence becomes comfort. Your dreams feel calmer. Time feels slower, yet richer. This is your soul returning home. You were not meant to carry the weight of the world. You were meant to feel, to grow, to rest, to love. And here's a gentle truth. Your soul doesn't heal in loud moments. It heals in quiet ones. A hot cup of tea, a sunset, a slow walk, a deep exhale, a single tear. Every small act of gentleness lightens you. If you feel heavy, spiritually, not physically, you are not alone. Your soul is wise. Your heart is strong. Healing is not far away. Take a breath. Inhale peace. Exhale the weight. Your lightness is returning. Thank you for being here. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it. And remember, your soul deserves peace.